Hey everybody, I am doing the unboxing of the R1 AI Companion. It is a nifty little thing that can go ahead and order you a Uber, some food if you want through DoorDash. It'll have more and more applications as it keeps on going, but this is a nifty little thing. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and configure it and everything like that. I did have to speed ramp a lot because it was a long video, but I went ahead and got it all down for you so that way you know what it looks like when it's shipping to you, what it looks like when you unbox it, and the process of using it and setting it up. So, no gimmicks, just the real deal. Let's go. Alrighty everybody, let's get into it. Here is the packaging in all its glory. Look at that baby. I didn't want to go ahead and take it out of the packaging just so you guys can see how it really came in, shipped in real time. And there it is. I mean, look at it. Are you guys not excited? I've been waiting for this thing for like 3 months, 4 months. Feels like a long time, but I mean, look at it, the little face. They even have the ears on top. I really like what they did with the box. They actually tried to do something with it and make it entertaining. So I like it. It's like this is the rabbit and you are unboxing it. Well, let's go ahead and unbox it, right? So here we are. Had a speed ramp through this thing. This video was actually originally 50 minutes long, and I had to cut it down to about 17 minutes to 18, so quite a difference. But, oh, the rabbit. There we are, there we are. Listen to that sound. Woo. Beauty. Oh, look at that. See, they did something with the packaging. I like that. I like that. Normally it's boring, but oh, look at it, look at it. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, this doesn't feel real. I mean, look at that, the softness. I mean, oh my gosh, hold on, I gotta put back. Oh my god, okay, all right, let's do this. Oh my god, I mean, just look at the beauty. Oh, I like that casing right there too. It's got like that hard casing. Okay, cool. And I heard the casing can actually turn into like a little stand for it, so really cool. I can't wait to get into that. Oh, all right, let's do it. Okay. So here we are. Oh wow, it feels good. The square packaging feels nice, feels good. A little bulky, but like good in your hands. It's not even bulky, but it's just like feels good. Reminds me of like a Game Boy Advance right there. Even the weight. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that right there. Okay, right off the bat, you can feel it shifting even in its casing right there. So it's gonna smack around each other during a shipment and everything like that. I don't like that. Even when I was walking home with it, I could feel it moving around and heard it. If you can hear it, oh, that's bad. But look at that casing. They got the USB, the SIM. They have the scroll wheel, the rabbit eye. Oh, the push to talk button. Alrighty, I like that. Now let's go ahead and set it up. And of course, as always, I always have a difficulty with opening things or configuring things and just having things work for me in life. So my life is hard, always has been. But, and here I am just exploring what they got. Kind of like it. It's like blueprint, so it's really, really nice. And here I am attempting to open it. I always have difficulty with stuff for some reason, but there you go. I went ahead and got that first wrap out. Was taking about like a minute or so, like 30 seconds. I had to scramble it around. Here I am trying to figure out how to do it again, and there's another wrap. So I'm like, ugh. I know I didn't cut it right the raw first time, but again. Bam. So I'm trying to open it. I'm like, how the heck do you get this thing going? It was a puzzle for me. I don't know why. I'm old. I'm a dinosaur Cal. I couldn't figure it out until bam. But even then, I was hooking it. I was unlatching it on the side, and that was not cool. And then bam, I somehow found out that you have to slide that front piece up. And then bam, see the hinge right there on the side. So how to fix it up, close it. Let me try to reopen it one more time just to make sure I didn't mess this thing up.
Holy crap.
Alright, let's see. Okay, cool. Alright, we can see right there it's opening. I'm exploring the sides on the left hand, screen. And then I am about to take it out of this casing. It feels good in there. It feels snug. I like that. And even in your hand, looks freaking awesome. Feels freaking awesome. So I like that. Look at it. It's like a little Game Boy Advance, but just an AI Game Boy. So pretty cool. Fits in my palm pretty good. Basically my whole palm right there. Oh, let me do this right there just to make sure. Yeah, my whole palm right there, and then I'm gonna like scoot it up. Bam, bam. So yeah, basically that. Feels good. Feels like a walkie-talkie. You know, you definitely get that feeling when you're like, you know, pushing into the mic and putting it near your phone. So that's kind of cool. You know, like you're really talking to it. You know, it's like your companion. You're talking to it. So it's kind of cool. They got that USB-C, the SIM slot. Feels good. You know, you can move it around. It has a little bit of weight, but not even a pound. Like, it is good. You honestly might want to put some grip on the side or something that'll make it a little bit less likely to fall out your hands. But other than that, feels great. This is my new baby right here. I cannot wait to use it. But alright, let's set it up, and oof, look at that beautiful rabbit insignia right there. It looks beautiful, beautiful. I like the feeling all around. It looks like a beauty, and it kind of made a noise, like, you know, like a computer starting up. That legit, it made a noise. So I love it. It's booting up for life. I'm gonna take it on a dang journey, and I wanted to speed ramp this, but I wanted to show you that initializing it and configuring it actually took a lot longer. You'll see in the other videos I had a speed ramp like a mother. So yeah, but right here, okay, it's kind of cool. It's like the blueprints on how you know, it showed you on the setup guide. So I'm gonna click it, click to continue. Okay, let me click it. Okay, cool. Clicked it, select network, I'm guessing Wi-Fi. Yep. Alrighty. Oh man, I thought it was touchscreen. I have read about it that it was touchscreen, so that kind of sucks. It's gonna make a noise. I don't know if you can hear it. I like that noise. It actually feels cool.
I actually really like that. I actually really like that.
Alright, let me go ahead and set this up, and then I'll go ahead and come back. You shall not know my password. And ooh, hold on real quick. I'm feeling that the analog wheel actually scrapes against my fingers in the back. So depending how you hold it, you might get that same feeling. So you gotta like watch out how you hold it. So one thing right off the bat, besides the you know, item moving during shipping, and oh look. Okay, so you can have a keyboard mode if you put it on the analog side. So it had me, you know, when I press yes, boom, it's telling me to tilt it so that way I can, you know, enter the keypad for the password. So kind of cool. I like it. It's like old school style. And alright, cool. I put in my little password. Yes. Alright, I am connected. Good. Okay, so let's go ahead and activate. And once again, I had trouble logging onto the dang website, and I think it was actually because I had a VPN. So I had trouble logging to the right side. You know, it's throwing me back and forth. You know, I finally, you know, do it right, or I find the rabbit hole. See the rabbit hole. It's connecting me, and no, you know, 404 error right there, like you can see. So I was like, what's going on? I tried to look around a little bit. I'm going on their dang website. I'm going everywhere, right? I'm going left and right, up and down. I'm going through the dang tabs, and then I'm like, wait. I'm like, my VPN. I'm like, maybe my VPN is stopping it, and indeed it was. Like you saw, I gained access to the rabbit hole right then and there. Bad VPN, bad. Don't use VPN for that stuff, for, you know, some things when you're registering for stuff. So it's actually gotten me in trouble with like 2-3 different like companies and stuff like that. So sucky, but I got it working. We'll go ahead and put in my name to update to the profile. And alright, let's go ahead and activate it. And I'm a dinosaur. I'm Dinosaur Cal. For some reason, I thought that it wanted me to take a photo of that QR code that the Rabbit R1 came with. Instead, it was telling me to use Rabbit R1 to scan that QR code. So here I am, Dinosaur Cal, getting so confused. I'm lost, I'm hectic, I'm frantic. I want to turn this thing on, so I'm like, alright, let's activate it, right? And then I'm like, damn it. I'm like, I don't know, I did something wrong. I made a mistake. Damn it. F me, you know? Then I'm like, alright, let's restart this thing. And so I'm like, hello. And then I had to return it on. I had to restart it, return it on. I messed it up, or it just activated and linked the account. So maybe it linked the account, and that's why I had to reboot itself, reconfigure, and link into that one. So bam, see, it's telling me to do it. I had to select network, I had to do it all over again. So maybe I just did mess up, I'm not sure, but it's having me scan the QR code now. Once again, look at me, I'm scanning the other QR code. If you actually look at my phone, it says scan this with your R1. I don't know why. but sometimes I just don't look at things. Especially if it's writing. I need to get Speechify or some stuff like that. So here I am, right? I figured it out. I'm trying to do it, and I'm struggling once again, all right? This whole thing has been a struggle. The packaging, freaking just configuring everything, okay? So once again, I'm struggling. I, move around. It was my brightness. The Rabbit R1 could not freaking catch my brightness because it was so high. And that, oh, hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it was just, the Rabbit R1 camera could just not pick it up at a high brightness. So that's frustrating. Another tick off right there. I think that's third on my interaction so far. I'm trying to higher up the brightness. You see how low the brightness was? I had to higher it up. Jesus. All right, so this is the connections. Okay, this is in the rabbit hole. These are all the apps that are connected. So they've got like the DoorDash, they've got Uber, generative AI. Midjourney is pretty cool. Suno, you do want that. It'll make you awesome little AI music tones. And yeah, that's basically it. It kind of does suck. You do need a paid subscription for all of them except for Suno and DoorDash. So very. Alright, SpongeBob moment right there. But anyway, create a password. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's do it. Okay, I wanted to go ahead and see the, the digits and see how it looks. I wanted to show you guys it. That way you could all see as well. Alright, let me go ahead and put in my password. Okay, cool. Alright, it's cool. So double click for camera. Alright, for sure. Alright, let's double click. Okay, press and hold to talk. Okay, some instructions. Okay. Hi there, Rabbit. How are you doing today? Okay. Hi, Rabbit. How are you today? Well, fuck. Just ignore me. This bird. Okay, so now we have to charge it. It's connected to the network. It just wants the cable to charge the device. So let's go ahead and do what it's asking. So, alrighty, I had to pull a charger out of my crevices of the desk. And here we are. Okay, and like I said, I had to speed ramp this thing so much. It was horrible. As you can see, the stand is right there, but it was a 50-minute long video. Made it down to 17 to 18 minutes. It's crazy. It did take a long time. Unfortunately, I didn't have autofocus on my camera, so you can't see the minutes go by on my phone to get the real life aspect and grip of it, but you can see some digits swing by. So it did take a little bit. Had like 3 or 4 different update processes, and yeah, so here it is. Woo-wee, look at that rabbit interface. The first time I'm seeing it, and bam, cool. Yeah. All right, I'm hyped. All right, baby, let's go. Love it. Loving the feel of it. It just feels good. This excitement. I've been waiting for it to have it in my hand. Man, it's nice. I can't wait to use the power of this thing because it can low-key do a good amount of stuff if you can really utilize it and figure out how to do it. I know some people have initialized a whole bunch of apps like Android 13 onto this thing. Imagine that. Yeah, Android 13. But alrighty, so I've seen this in the videos. You shake it to get that menu going, and you shake it to get out. You see that? Shake it on. Hold on, shake it on, and then you just shake it off. Cool. So yeah, I like that. Turn it on and off by just pressing it. It stares at you if it's on, and I just don't like that this is the only screen. It doesn't do anything else. Hello? Are you gonna go anywhere? Are you gonna do anything? I don't know. I just, I want to be able to do something with the device. It's not just like solely speaking to it, but it's just that right now. And hey, the camera's actually looking pretty good quality. Just a little bit laggy, not 4K or anything like that, not 60 frames. And hey, look at that beautiful little person right there. That's me with the camera in front of my face. I was hunched over a whole bunch of stuff and a camera and a light. And okay, let's just check the speed. It moves pretty good. I like it. It actually does. It's responsive. I think only like a 1 second downtime. Okay, not bad. I thought I'd take a photo, but okay.
Hello.
Interesting. See, I wanted to do just a little bit more. I thought it was gonna be not like a phone. I knew what it was gonna be like, but kind of like a phone. You can interact with it, go inside it, go into the depths of hell with it. You know what I'm saying? And this one, it's just a screen and a rabbit staring at you.
Hey, Rabbit, do you have a home screen?
Yes.
that your only home screen, or do you have others that I can choose from?
Navigating to settings.
It sent me to settings, so I'm hoping it's here, but let's go through it really quickly. Let me just go through it real quick. I'm actually going to leave another video about this whole settings, just so that way anybody who actually does want to get into it can really figure it out and see what's inside. I love how they have a compliance section as well as a disclaimer. That should be on every item, right? Yeah, so as you guys see, there's a whole bunch of different things. The keyboard only is interactable if you have it where the analog wheel is down. If you have it on the sides or anything like that, it will not go, as you can see. And you just press to talk into it, so.
Kal-El is a fictional character from the DC Comics universe, known as the leader of the Kryptonian
It's
Science
got
Council and a
two L's in it.
Hey Rabbit, who is Kal-El?
Kal-El is a fictional character from the DC Comics universe, known as the leader of the Kryptonian Science Council and a relative of Superman.
Once again, damn it.
Let's think about that. Kal-El is a character in popular culture. It seems like you might get 50 points. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to contest.
Wow, I don't know if it's just me, but it's having a hard time figuring out who Kal-El is, so.
Put up a video from the YouTuber The Kal-El.
Searching for videos by the YouTuber The Kel. No relevant
The
results
Kel,
found
no
for
relevant
videos
videos.
from the
I'm not
YouTuber
relevant
The
enough.
Kel.
Okay, I'm not there yet. Alright, thank you for telling me that, Rabbit.
Made from the YouTuber The_Cal_L.
Searching for videos by the YouTuber The Kel. No relevant search results found for The Kel on YouTube.
Can you pull up a YouTube video from the YouTuber The_KAL_EL?
Searching for videos by the YouTuber The Kel. To search for videos by the YouTuber The Kel on YouTube, follow these steps. 1. Open YouTube, go to youtube.com. 2.
Yeah, so it's having a pretty hard time, and I don't like
Search for The Kel in the search bar at the top of the
that it's telling me to go on YouTube and find it myself. Like, hello, aren't you AI? Aren't you not able to do this yourself?
Search box. 7.
Alright, you guys, so how did you like the R1? I know this is just the unboxing. I'm going to have a lot more videos, so follow, stay tuned, get those notifications, and you'll see it progress and grow. This is just the beginning, so as it keeps, updating and getting more applications and, just more foundation, trust me, it will be there, and it's going to be insane. So, really awesome. I like it. There's only those little dislikes and stuff like that, like, just like that finger getting caught when you're scrolling through the analog wheel, because there is no shield, so that's like the only thing. There is no shield, so that is the one thing I would point out. But other than that, it's moving in the box and stuff like that. Like, here's the box, and, let's put it inside the box, right? And then let's see if you can hear it. I don't like that. I really don't. So I'm going to put like some tissue in here whenever I take it out, because I don't like the idea of it wiggling and the components moving and moving and moving, and one day, poof, okay? So other than that, I know that it is right now just this configuration, but it could be so much more. Somebody got Android 13 on there, and honestly, this thing works with Wolfram Alpha, a whole bunch of other, mechanisms and engines to really give you the best quality thing. Ever since the new Beta Rabbit, it is amazing as well. Hey, Beta Rabbit, what is Bitcoin at right now?
Beta Rabbit here. Watch me cook. As of the latest update, the current price of Bitcoin is $63,583.90 USD. The price has seen an increase of 2,779, which is a 4.57% rise today.
Holy crap. A 2,779 rise. Woo! Woo! Crypto market's going insane right now. But basically, there it is. You have it. It has its ears up when it's listening to you, and its ears down when it's not. So, there you guys go. Let me know. Show me your videos of your R1 doing some amazing stuff. I'm going to be posting along the way. Like I said, follow. Don't miss it. Alrighty, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This video was so agonizing to edit and the time that it took. I am done with it now, and I'm just putting these last additions. Woo, look at this. Even my chin hair is going off the hook. I haven't been able to shave or get off this damn thing. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow or like or comment anything, but it was just a lot of time, so please. Thank you.